Hey guys, it's December 1st, 2016, Lake Alatuna, and here you can see my newest find. It is a 1990 Evinrude 15 horsepower motor. It is a short shaft with pull start. It is pristine under the hood, and I just cleaned the carburetor, and you're gonna see in a little while how it runs now. It is on 1436 decked out aluminum flat bottom jumbo right now. And motor has, as of now, 9-pitch stainless steel propeller in it. It is quite a powerful motor. I don't think it will get any better. This is as good as they can come. Full throttle. Well, I'm impressed. Very happy with the motor. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.